Welcome back to Fun Science. Today we're gonna build and make a touch screen computer that you could touch it and make this rainbow, as you could see this girl doing it. You could see that. So we were waiting like 1 year actually to build this.
Because we had to wait till we figured out how to use the keyboard, right? Because touch is really easy.
Touch is really easy.
Right, so now
we have a computer that's the same, but it's actually you have to use
the keyboard.
The keyboard.
Do you want to show them?
One, yeah. Let's show them. The computer on the back
Okay, put it on the table.
has the keyboard.
It's better to learn to use the keyboard and then leave.
We got it from eBay for $50. And did you know on the back
What's happening?
you can see this? And there's a rainbow screen. It looks like it's coming out, but it's not. Let's get started. Okay, how you do it is gently fold it. Get these. These are stickers to decorate it. Look at this flat tire. This is the motherboard part of it. Can I touch it? See it on
Try
the
not
back?
to touch it too much. Put it on here because we don't want to short it with your static electricity.
Hello.
What's that? Do you know what that is, Ivy?
It's a charger. Charger.
Mm-hmm.
So you plug this in, something there, and then you can charge it.
Yeah.
With this. See? It's charging. Speed pumps. And what's this?
Sensor maybe?
Sensor? Look. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Okay. Beep up. You ready to see the next part? There's one more thing.
Oh, the charger.
Oh, the charger.
Show them. The two hands.
Is the screen. It's so huge. Okay. This is
Perfect. There we go. So it doesn't short out.
So we could do like this.
And I think everything goes on there anyway. All right.
Yeah. So this goes maybe.
The brain in. I mean, part of the brain.
Do this.
There you go. So you got the top. Good job, Tilly.
I think good. Because I have another one.
Because what?
We have another one of these.
Yeah.
We have another computer.
There you go. Sure. Oh, other USB ports so you can plug stuff in. Nice.
Yep.
It sends information to the screen when you touch it. It sends data.
So it's right there.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Ivy is correct. All right.
No sleeping, baby.
Good job, Tilly. One.
You got this, Tilly.
You go.
Push it out. You're sleeping.
Use two hands. Push it. Little pops.
Things pop up when we're coding.
Yeah.
Because in the other computer I saw the red one pop up.
Oh, you did? Okay. So put the speaker, I believe, here.
Oh, yeah. I could do this one.
Yeah, that one's really easy. So that one can go into there. But make sure the holes are on the top. Oh yeah, I think the holes are on the top. Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
It says coding. I didn't even notice that.
Let's turn the page. 3 holes that way. Ports, let me just double check. Good job.
Good,
Yeah.
see it's touching there. Oh, there we go. There you go.
Nice one.
There. I know.
Fix the green, put the green in the yellow one.
Here.
And then turn it so it goes around.
There.
Yeah, that's a good one. I think that works well. Voila.
Voila.
Right.
Yep. Oh, it says coding. See? Okay, now.
Okay, so that takes care of that. Good?
Yeah, good.
We need one of these.
Yeah.
And this one has 2 on it.
No, 3.
Oh, 3. Yeah, 2
This
is
one
right.
has
Right, because you did all the other stuff, right?
I could do this. Like a rainbow.
Oh yeah, you're right. Interesting. I didn't think about that.
But it's missing purple.
Oh, I didn't know that. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know what the colors in the rainbow. So this goes into the battery.
So.
Good job. And then that leans in there. So that when you close it up,
sensor?
Keyboards. Sensor is what?
Sensor?
That is one sensor, but we need the keyboard
Sensor?
That's the brain. No, actually we should put that in soon.
Yeah, it works that way. And then it goes.
Flip it over. Yeah, there you go. That work? Nice. There we go. So that's the sensor for the keyboard. So the keyboard will work. Here you go. We'll test it out. There's two. That's a
and this too, little chip.
Yeah, I'm curious where the chip goes. Because we didn't come to that part, right? Did they ask us where we wanted to put the chip?
Maybe we could put it anywhere we want.
No, I doubt it, because the chip is the brain of the computer.
Like so. Wait, let me see.
Here, you can see.
I think I know.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to look into the directions while you guys figure it out. Ah, there it is. See the hole for the brain? Oh, the little chip comes out. Put the brain in. Got it?
There. Maybe this is next.
I don't know what that one's for. I think that's it.
Everybody.
Everybody.
No.
Beep port. These are where they use beep ports. But I'm not sure what that sensor is, to be honest with you.
This?
We could save this for later. This. I don't know what this is. Safety sticker. So that doesn't scratch. Why don't you try from there?
There. Just pull it.
You could help her. It's really hard.
I could do it.
I'll hold the computer.
Can you throw that inside the garbage? Let's test it out.
Cole, oh, wait, you know what we should do? We probably need to plug it in.
Maybe that's how. Oh, this is you lay it down.
Oh, okay. Type CD rabbit hole.
CD.
And then space. Rabbit hole. R. A. B.
H.
O.
There.
L.
You get to lay it down. I've never seen this computer. Hello, what is your name?
Your name?
Spy Girls.
Yeah, Spy Girl. Let's put Spy Girl. I like that idea. Because then you don't have to have two different names. So put S-W-E-I-G. Swag Girls, right? Put it in one word. Pretty cool, right?
Ooh, I like it. So cool.
And it
I
says, what
am
does it
your
say?
computer. I am a computer. You're a computer. Okay. Together we can make almost anything with code. Press enter to continue. First, can you help me talk, type, say hello?
That was pretty cool.
Let's use code to make art. Type circle 10 Spy Girls. Spy Girls! Spy Girls! Dun, 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 dun.
It's making it simple.
Boom,
Try for that.
boom, 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 boom.
Drag it. You have to click it in there. Good job. See? Kind of. You have to drag it under there, though. There you go. Oh, that's good.
Wow!
Oh, it's searching for Wi-Fi. Here, I'll do this part.
It's me, Miss Pasco. Building me. Yay! Building Kim. Ready to make art, games, and more.
Oh, wow.
Yay! I want to play with it.
Oh, wait, but I don't even know how. Is it touch? No.
Oh my gosh, he went to the beach. Yay! Did you see that rainbow stuff? Yeah.
Okay.
Well, then it'll update. Do you know about touch screen? To do it with like this. Okay. Bye. Okay, I think I know what to. I think I know. Bye. Leave a subscribe down below. Can I go first? Sure.